going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to do a very quick video on this site, Inbox Dollars. I'm a site I've been with for a very long time. I've done plenty of videos on it. I just want to do another cash out. You see here at the top, I have $30.21. I will be cashing it out. I've done, like I said, plenty of videos on this site, so I'm not going to do a full tutorial on it. If you want a full tutorial, I will leave a link to that at the top of this video so you can see a complete breakdown of this site. But just to kind of show you really quick, you can do offers on here, 100% free offers, content discovery. You can just click on ads and make money doing that. Of course, you have the surveys. You can get paid to play games, get paid to shop, get cash back for doing that. Get paid taking pictures of your receipts, and you can get paid to search as well. So there's a variety of different things you can do on here. You'll see here the scratch and win bar. You'll see $3 signs. And pretty much everything that you do on here when it comes to surveys, offers, videos, clicking on ads, it will help fill this bar up. You know what I'm saying? Like once you go here, you usually get like 1 or 2 cent here, a few more cent here. And then this is probably the biggest one. You'll probably get 10 cent. Just to show you how it works real quick, even though I like to get it all the way to the $3 sign so I can get more. I'm just going to show you what you do. So you'll click on, you have to be at least past, the money sign on to click on it. So if you're like right here and you can't use this, but once you passed it, then you can. So I'm going to click on it, and all you do is scratch now, and it'll give you like a little penny, and then you just scratch, and I'll get like 4 cents for doing this. Kind of like a little, little bonus they'll give you. So you'll be guaranteed to get something out of here. It says went up to 10, went up to 25. I think this went up to, I want to say like 50 or something like that. But, more than likely you're going to get a few, cent just for doing that. But it's just a little extra bonus. So like I said, I'm going to cash out now. So I go to the reward section. And you see here all of these rewards you can choose from. Most of them start out at $10 on Amazon. They got some airlines you can go to, different grocery stores, retail stores, things like that. They also have PayPal here. So there's something here for everybody. I'm going to do PayPal. And you see here, you can do 10, 20, 10, 15, 30, 40, 50, and 100. So I have, what, $30.25 in my account. So I'm going to do the 30. Enter my password. Get rewarded. It's going to make sure that this is what I want to do with $30. It's going to send it to the email that I have on file. So I'm going to do is click confirm here. And congrats on your redemption. So the money will be sent to me. Usually it takes a couple days, doesn't take that long. They send it right to my PayPal account, so I can just do whatever with it there. So like I said, if you want a full tutorial on this site, I will leave a link at the top of the video so you can see a complete breakdown of what you can do on here. I've been using it for a very long time. I make really good money with it, so I encourage you to sign up with it. The link to it is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.